This is Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide indicator for open apps on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On Macbook, when you open an app, you'll find there's like dot indicator on the app that tells you it means you just open the app. So now what if you want to remove the indicator, the dots from the apps that just opened? It's so simple. You can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now from here you can go to dock and menu bar. Click on dock and menu bar, and then here you'll find an option like to change the dock size, change the dock position, and then here you'll find there is an option show indicator for open applications. By default, it's enabled, and if you want to enable it, you want to disable, you can just click on it. So as you can see in here, it's before and after we remove, the indicator will be removed from the apps. So simple, right? So that is how to hide indicator for open apps on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.